Hello dear friend, this is Rakesh here. Once again you are welcome to Resolve for You. In today's video we will learn about Lightshot. Lightshot is a screen capture tools. It's a very handy, very useful and very lightweighted software. It is totally free and premium software. I have been using this software for last year to capture my screens and annotate screen. You can annotate screen through this Lightshot software. This is available for Windows and Mac versions, and it's a totally free, and this is a open source software. You can select a certain area of your screen and you can annotate, you can write, you can mention the point, you can use rectangles there, you can highlight any points if you want to. You can share this to Facebook or on social media and anywhere on the site, and you can use for your professional use in free, totally free. Please listen the video till the end, then you will understand what this software is actually, how it is used for you. Dear friend, don't skip the video and listen till the end. Let's jump into Resolve for You. Hello dear friend, for downloading the best free this premium screenshot software, you have to come to Google. Here just type Lightshot. You see here Lightshot, just type here. You see, you will find the first here website here. You see this first website, just click here. You see, now we have come here, this Lightshot. Here you can change the language actually in any language if you want. I just my default language English, it will be in English. Here you see, you can download this for our Windows PC, and for Mac you can download. This is available for Mac and Windows, and you can, it's a very easy and very good screenshot and very professional. You can use in your daily work if you have too much work. If you want to annotate the screen and you want to take a record, it's actually will be very useful. You see, fast screen record, you can selected area, you can record, easy to use, simple and intuitive user interface, make your work with the app easier and faster. I have been using this Lightshot for last 10 years, and I have a very good experience with this. And you can share this screenshot via internet. You can powerful editor, you can edit, you can search similar image if you after taking a screenshot. It's very good, and various type of platforms available here. You see, for Macs, Chrome, even you can use it as the Edge extension in Chrome, Firefox, IE and Opera. No, when you come here, just click here. For Windows, if I download for Windows, I just download. You see, our file is here. They're very light actually, 2.7 MB. It's a very light. I will just click here, and I have already actually installed in my C drive I am using. So you see, this one extra I have duplicate, it has been generated. I will run it as administrator. It will just say, do you want to allow this to make your you click yes, just you click. Then they will ask you language here. You just select your language here and okay, and you will accept the agreement. You just click next. You have to click next, and it will be start actually installing, because I have already installed. So I back here. You see, I next backs because I have already installed. I will just cancel here. Once the application is downloaded, you come here. You see here, this I have already run as administrator, and it's run to start. It automatically starts in my system tray. You see here, you just click here. You will see option sign in. You can sign in, take a screenshot directly. Option about, if you want to read here, you can click, and about you can know from here actually. But I want to show you about this very option, very important. This here, you see, we just click here. Here we will click. You see general settings. You come here. So notification about copying, saving, keep the selected area. In this way you can, it will select the area. Otherwise just click and capture a cursor on a screenshot. If you want to show your this just cursor on the screenshot, you will just click here. Actually I don't want, so I will just, I don't need. And you can change here from language. Actually you see, I can you can change any language from here, Japanese, Hungarian, French, any language if you want. You can select. There are several languages here. And when you come here, you can, this is hotkey. You can use your hotkey here. I have just used page up and page down in my right side of the keyboard. I use page up, but there is a default here print screen you can use, because I use print screen for my share access screen recorder, so I don't use. You can instant save of the full screen instantly if you want to save. Yes, general, okay. Instantly upload of the full screen. I don't want to upload, so I unclick here. Okay, no, you just come here, format. You can actually change from here. You see here, you can use a JPG or PNG here, and quality you can change. I will put always on 100 PNG, and JPG quality will be always 100. So you can take this screenshot in JPG and PNG. When you come here, you already we have known this. This is a proxy settings. You can come to your proxy. Actually, we don't need this advanced setting. We just here we will click here. Okay, so we have already known about how to configure and general setting and hotkey setting. Once you set, you have to just click your key on keyboard shortcut, and it will start. For example, I click page up. You see, I have taken this. I want to take this screenshot from here to here. You see, I can select area from here. Actually, here you can. I want to take this area. Just you see. No, actually, you can now annotate. Once you select, you have to just leave the cursor, and you see you can rectangle. If you want to show this CRX, I want to show. I have just put the rectangle, and if you want to marker, actually this is a marker. You can mark anything. If you want to mark here, you see, I want to mark this area. I want to mark. I want to show my friend to mark here. Actually, in this way you can mark. Actually, it's a very unique feature. If you want to arrow, means if you want to highlight for example, I want to highlight this blender. You see, I have blender here. I have highlighted here. It's actually in the document. You have several documents. You can actually highlight from here, and you can draw a line. For example, I want to line from here to here. Just for demo, I am showing you. So you can actually here you can highlight, and you can just freehand this pen. You can write anything. Actually, I can write if I want to write here A, for example B. I can see. Here I want to write 1. Here I want to write 2. In this way, actually, you can write if you want freely, and marker we have already known. And this is actually T, means text. If you want to text here, for example, add something here. I want to add. Tell my friend, add something here. You see, no, I will just add points. You see, now it will add point here, anything. And if you want to just change the color, I will for example, I want yellow color. I will change from here color. You can define your custom color from here. You can take more refined color if you want. For example, I want to take this here. I will just click OK, add to custom. So you see, I have custom color has appeared here. Actually, no, you can okay. No, I have custom color. I want to just highlight here with custom color. So I will come here. You see, our highlight is here. I will tell this Samsung. You see, I have highlighted here with custom color. Actually, in this way. So in this way you can highlight anything. No, I will take a rectangle, and I will just like here. I will just put here in different color. You see, in this way you can actually annotate. After annotating, you have to just save. If you Control S, our window keyboard shortcut is Control S. You can just save here. You can just upload to print. You see, printscr.com. This Control plus D is a shortcut. This actually there you can upload. Once again, I want to show you. I will just come here. I want to arrow here this. I want to make here highlighted this point. Okay, and here I want to add something. Add 3 points. Add 3 points here. In this way, you see, I have add 3 points. And once I have just taken our just once marker, I will mark here. Once we have annotated the screen, you can actually put this on the Word file. I will come here, Control C, copy. Just I will Control C. Now I will take a new Word file here. I will come new Word file. I will create Word document. If you want to take any Word document here, you can take a new Word document here. You see, blank I will take. I will put here. You see, now this is actually here. When I work, I need several screenshots. I use actually these for advanced work. Even you can use this. It's very good and very light. But dear friend, don't forget to subscribe the channels. Take care. We meet in the next class. Hello dear friends. So we have learned about this software. Please write in the comment box what's your experience about these softwares, and you can download if you don't know about this software. I will put this download in the description box. From there you can download. And nowadays I have designed tutorials for beginners about the DaVinci Resolve video editing software. DaVinci Resolve is the king of all video editing software, and it's very professional. And if you want to learn this software from from 0 to advanced level, you can join our class. Just I will share this link in our description box, the all playlist. Please click here and follow the class. Don't forget to subscribe the channels. Actually, this motivates me a lot to make more tutorial for you, more useful video for you, dear friends. Your one subscription, likes, comments motivates me a lot. Let's meet in the next video. Take care. Bye.